Hey guys, welcome to my channel. What I might do, do them tiny pipes now here. And tiny pipes over here, but if I do that, why did I get so close? I don't understand. Why? I hate that when people do that. Trying to keep this runway clean, for all this water drain. But it's kind of hard, all the leaves. I'm gonna get this water kind of low because right now I'm in the middle of on a breakdown lane, like on this edge. I don't know if it's still raining or not, but I don't really know. I really don't really care. I do, but all the blue flowers coming from this way.